Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find biometrics and security. Now we have to scroll down in order to find other security settings. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the second section is connected to the credential storage, and almost at the very bottom of it we've got the option clear credentials. Let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so tap on OK. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, then you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.